Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking the left-hand bass progression. Play the 8-chord Canon pattern slowly and evenly. Use your right hand to outline each chord as broken arpeggios, not full runs. Once comfortable, add the basic melody fragments one phrase at a time, connecting them to the bass. Practice hands separately for 5 to 10 minutes, then try hands together at half speed. This builds coordination and reveals where fingers clash, so you can fix fingering before speeding up. Once hands are combined, focus on voicing and timing. You should make the melody sing, bring it out about 30% louder than inner voices, while keeping the bass steady. Use a metronome and raise the tempo in 4 to 8 BPM steps. This prevents sloppy accents. Add one Canon voice at a time, so you can monitor overlaps and timing shifts. Make sure to shape phrases with slight rubato where natural, and rehearse difficult bar transitions slowly until they feel effortless. To finish, polish articulation and balance by recording a full run-through and listening critically. You want clear phrase shapes, tasteful crescendos on repeated sections, and clean pedaling. Lift the pedal at harmony changes. If something goes wrong, isolate the problematic bars and slow them to 1/4 of performance speed, drilling fingerings until secure. Once done, reintegrate those bars and rehearse the surrounding measures so transitions stay smooth. Make sure to stay patient. Steady repetition fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.